You know, for the past couple of weeks I've been balls to the wall getting these lithium batteries and box all done, and it is working beautifully. But I put the Jerry's on the back burner. But let me show you what I did tonight with these guys. Let me turn the music down here. Let me start off with Jerry II back here. So I put a DS18 6.5 inch subwoofer grill. This is the 8-inch box, but there's 6-inch right there. And I thought red would be really super cool looking. Yeah, I was wrong. It looks so freaking gay, it's not even funny. So ordered some black ones. I may use these red ones for something else, but that would have been so easy to put those in there. However, on SuperJerry, I got the black one, 8-inch, and I'll tell you, that I had to tear the whole thing apart to get that grill on there, which was fine because I had to do some modifications to the second base port down here, which is now a piece of wood, and I sandwiched 2 layers of sound deadening material, you know, the stick-on stuff, and then some black tape on top of that. That thing is stupid solid, and then screwed it in. I still have to paint some hardware here. I replaced the blue honkin' donkin' stupid blinding blue light with a red one, which I thought looked a lot better. Did some tuning, dual Bluetooth antenna. The grill is that ABS plastic, and it's kind of a trick to get on there, but I think this woofer is secured better on there right now. There's no issue with it thumping and hitting right here. All the usual good stuff on here. It works and it sounds great. I'm going to be doing some painting on the hardware up here to get it all prettied up and ready for prime time, I guess. But this thing just sounds buttery smooth. I know a lot of you could care less about, you know, what I do with these speakers, but man, this thing sounds exceptional. But, you know, to each his own.